2019 C300 Mercedes. Really beautiful car. I love Mercedes. Don't you love Mercedes? We all love Mercedes. They don't break. If you maintain them, they don't break. Got factory converter up there somewhere. Then factory resonator we kept on. Secondary resonator we kept on. Then it's got duals out the back. And we cut the mufflers off because we don't like mufflers. So we did a muffler delete on this, there and there. And the tip's already built into the bumper, so you don't have to do anything about that. That's how you do a muffler delete, boys and girls. And there's the two mufflers that we cut off right there. Like always, guys, you know you like our work, so make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification button. Is it turbo? You need more. Dude, look at the sound decibel. Give me gas. It's 83. That's like, oh, nothing.
Let's do it.
Okay. So we did the muffler delete. It wasn't that loud. It was like 84 on the sound decibels. So we left one resonator, took the second resonator off, as you guys can see, and took the rear mufflers still off. So now it's got only one resonator on it. We'll let you guys hear it and see. There's the resonator. That's what it looks like. There's the bone. That's what it looks like. Muffler delete and resonator. This is what it sounds like. Go ahead. More. You like it? Again. There's sound decibels. You guys got to remember it's turbo too. So the turbo takes a lot of the sound away too. It's got a nice deep tone to it.
It does, definitely.
Let's take the second one off.
You think so?
It's not loud. You want to take it down the road real quick?
Yeah, let's do that.
Bring it back. Yeah, just take it to Walmart and back. It is definitely deeper. I like it. It might be just enough. Let you guys hear on the inside. Mercedes C300. One resonator delete and rear muffler delete.